Welcome back to another modeling tutorial. Today we're going to be learning how to hairspray chip. I'm going to be doing this on a German Tiger 1, so of course after we put down some Vallejo primer, we're also going to put down some German brown red. Once the hull red paint has dried, come in with some cheap hairspray and do 2 thin coats. Now that the hairspray is dried, we can come in with some German yellow. Do 2 thin coats of this as well. Once your paint's had about an hour to dry, come in with some old dirty paintbrushes and a little bit of water. Wet your surface with the water and then come in with your dirty stiff brush, start rubbing in random, and you'll start getting chipping and scraping effects. There's no real right or wrong way to do this. Damage isn't the same between two vehicles ever. If you know metal, you'll know that paint really chips around hard edges. Look at all the reference photos you want, but if you just go drive heavy equipment for one season, you'll notice that this stuff does not stay looking good for long. This technique definitely takes some time. Be careful with how much pressure you apply to the brush, or you'll bring the paint right back to the plastic. I did this in a couple areas. I'm lucky though, there's stowage going to be placed over top of it, so it's a quick fix. I've done both this method and the sponge chipping method, and I prefer this one over the sponge chipping. It offers far more control, and you can't flood the surface like where you can with the sponge chipping technique. It's the small steps like this, though, that make your model come to life in the end. Here's the finished result. I love the way it looks, but then again, I love the look of weathered, dirty vehicles.